Guys, most people just want a computer for studying, work, and maybe some gaming after hours. We don't want big towers that eat up desk space, messy cords, or a setup that gets complicated fast. But what if you could get the full PC experience from a box that barely takes up any room? I am Daniel, and on this channel, I test gadgets and devices to give you a clear picture of what they are really like before you buy. Today I am checking out the PELADN WO4, a compact Windows mini PC made to deliver practical everyday performance without the bulk or hassle of a big desktop. We'll look at its desk-friendly design, essential connections, and performance for daily tasks. And guys, before we dive into this one, all the useful links and exclusive discounts are waiting for you in the description below. Let's open it up. My friends, the first thing you'll notice about the PELADN WO4 is its shockingly tiny size. This mini PC slips easily onto almost any desk, bookshelf, or even behind the monitor if you're creative. That's the small size full PC experience promise. While the box is compact, you still hook up a normal monitor, keyboard, mouse, and whatever else you need. It doesn't cramp your workflow, it just frees up your workspace. The design is simple and functional, with no wild shapes or fancy surfaces. But it looks tidy and blends right in at home, in a dorm room, or at the office reception. Setting up is straightforward, folks. Plug in the power, attach your display and accessories, and you're ready to work or play within minutes. For students and home users, having something that's ready out of the box can be a huge relief. Its compact form also means you can easily move it between rooms or clear up your desk when you need extra space for books, projects, or a second display. But small size alone isn't everything. What really matters is whether it's easy to connect your essentials and upgrade as your needs grow. Alright guys, let's talk practicality. Honestly, there's no point in a tiny PC if you can't connect everything you need. The PELADN WO4 packs a surprising lineup of ports, giving it the flexibility of a true desktop and not just a basic streamer or TV box. For displays, you get HDMI, DisplayPort, and a full-featured USB-C connection. Perhaps most of us won't need to surround ourselves with 3 screens, but it's a fantastic option for handling multitasking in a home office. USB-A and USB-C ports welcome all your standard gear. Keyboards, external hard drives, printers, you name it. There's also an audio jack for speakers or headphones. Wireless tech is solid too, my friends, thanks to Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. And with 2 Ethernet ports, including a fast 2.5 gigabit option, you've got stable and speedy wired networking for big file transfers or reliable video calls. One of my favorite things – upgradability. You start with 16 GB of fast DDR4 memory and a 512 GB SSD, but you can expand later with extra memory or a 2.5-inch drive. That means real long-term value. For IT folks or power users, functions like Wake on LAN and Scheduled Wake are nice touches too. Guys, before we continue, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all my future unboxings and reviews. Thanks! Okay guys, let's find out if this little box is actually fast enough to feel like a real proper computer. The heart of the WO4 is the Ryzen 5 5600H. In normal people terms, this means you get quick startup, snappy app loading, and smooth multitasking for everyday needs. For example, you can keep your research tabs open, hop between video lessons, and manage your assignments in Microsoft Office or Google Workspace. You can also chat with classmates and listen to music in the background, all without the system feeling bogged down. It's truly a setup you can rely on for academic work and creative tasks, folks. Office workers will find it just as friendly. They can easily switch between working on presentations, checking emails, and sitting in on long video calls, web browsing, streaming 4K YouTube or Netflix videos, and even organizing household documents all feel quick and easy. Hook it up to a monitor or even your TV for a more flexible setup. Now, my friends, let's honestly discuss gaming. The integrated Radeon Vega 7 graphics aren't built for serious AAA gaming marathons, but they are more than good enough for casual fun. I'm talking about esports hits like Rocket League, League of Legends, or CS:GO. The mini PC will handle those at reasonable settings and resolutions. Don't expect the best visuals from demanding modern games, but if you're looking for some after-hours relaxation or accessible games, you're covered. Guys, this is also not the computer for heavy 3D work or video production. Though for daily computing and light editing, it strikes a great balance between size, speed, and price. The triple display support works beautifully for productivity, documents here, browser there, meeting or reference where you need it. With quality networking for stable calls or quick file sharing, it's a practical companion for a busy workday or a home admin project. Overall, the PELADN WO4 offers a strong price-to-performance ratio. For most users, this is a fast, capable mini PC that fits pretty much anywhere. Alright, my friends, let's wrap it up. If you've been searching for a compact and practical PC that delivers a full desktop experience in a small footprint, the PELADN WO4 is a solid pick. Its biggest strengths are right where everyday buyers need them: responsive Ryzen performance, 16 GB of memory, and plenty of connections. Students, office workers, and budget-focused shoppers all get a neat Windows setup for typical daily work and entertainment, without fuss or wasted space. So before buying, guys, just ask yourself, do you really need a giant desktop, or would a responsive, flexible PC that fits almost anywhere do the job for you? Remember to check the links in the description for additional information and discounts. If you found this review helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.